Hi, I'm David Lee of the Q Lee Method. For over 25 years, I've been in the health and fitness industry. I've been a health coach and a trainer. And the Quantum Scan Analyzer has been used for over 10 years as one of my core health assessment tools. The device revolutionized my personal training, nutrition, and health coaching services for many years. Now, this is for health, fitness, or wellness professionals, or also for your own personal use if you like. Anyone wanting to offer clients detailed, in-depth body and health assessments, professionals seeking insights into clients' nutritional deficiencies and health imbalances. If that's what you're into, this is for you. Now, this Q Lee method of bioscanning uses a cutting-edge quantum scan analyzer technology, as you can see here beside me. It's very portable, it's very light. The technology has lasted and has existed for over 20 years, but it's not mainstream yet, especially in the West. It provides a full body scan in about 1 minute, generates 40 plus pages in detailed health reports. Now, the reports show things like vitamins, mineral levels, organ strengths and weaknesses, bone health indicators, your disease state markers like osteoporosis levels, calcium deficiency, liver toxicity, many other body systems that influence overall health. That's what it shows. Now, the benefits for professionals is it will double your health business revenue like it did mine. It enabled precise identification of clients' health issues and deficiencies. It led to more effective health and fitness programs as well for me. It added a unique and value-rich service to my client offerings. The Q Lee online course for the Quantum Analyzer it's a full video-based training created by me. It teaches you how to use the Quantum Scan Analyzer device. It teaches you how to read and interpret and apply the report data. It's designed for beginners and professionals wanting practical use of the system. So our special offer today is we've discounted it to $349 US for the full course, as well as you get a free ebook, and it's a 200-page second edition ebook that I've created. And you get lifetime access to the PowerPoint slides and lessons, and also my handouts that are also part of the whole assessment. I have extra handouts where you assess the hormone levels, the nutritional score sheet, and the health consult sheet that I teach you how to use along with the Quantum Analyzer scans. So if you're serious, you can purchase the Quantum Analyzer pre-recorded course on our website. If you have more questions, just contact us, leave your name and contact info, and my team will respond to you as soon as we can. Be well.